Oops, how does it happen? Here's the tip. Create a video, go to CapCut app, new project, then insert the video. Tap the video and tap the speed, tap curve and custom, then adjust your desired speed. Then after that, test the video. Next, tap overlay, insert the green screen, tap remove background and chroma key, adjust intensity and shadow. Then test the video again. Then tap duplicate, tap the duplicated video, then drag it at the bottom of the original video. Tap remove background, tap auto removal, tap green screen, tap speed and curve, then adjust your desired speed. Then adjust explosion video at your own desire. Then test the video, how does it comes out. Then after that, export the video and done. Thank you for watching and drive safe.